Okay, so we got first shots here. Glock 17, Gen 5 MOS. Just got this from Arizona XWerks. It's got a Midnight Bronze Cerakote on it. Dude, Tim over there did an awesome job. It's got a Streamlight TLR1 that I threw on there. A Glock performance trigger in there, and then also we got Ameriglo tritium night sights on here. So pretty much built the way I want to have it. And then he put a Flared OEM Glock magwell in here. So we're going to kind of send it down range here for the first time. We're clear right now, but we're going to see if we can take out this clown. It is Halloween, so I figured it'd be appropriate. So let's send it. Alright, so that is a dead clown. So this is at 5 yards. Push it out a little bit here in a minute, but not a bad mag there, so I'll take it. Trigger's real nice on it. Got 0 malfunctions first round, so we're still breaking it in. We'll put it at 7. See how we do there. We can go for that big red nose on him. See how we do. A little bit left. Alright, second mag. Alright, very dead clown. Hitting a little high, I think, but still not terrible. Nothing too crazy. Pulled this one a bit, but all the rest of them are pretty acceptable. Stretch it out a little further. Keep it going on the face theme there. Alright, so 5, 7, 10 yards, all pretty consistent. Recoil impulse is real nice on this thing. 3 mags, 0 malfunction, so I'm really liking this Gen 5 17. So really like that Glock performance trigger. Real nice soft trigger pull. I didn't measure the weight, but I'm guessing it's probably about 3.5, 4 pounds on it. Probably closer to 4 or 5, honestly. But yeah, so far so good. I'm gonna keep it going. I brought 200 rounds with me. We'll probably just burn through 100 of them today. But I'll definitely report back if there's any malfunctions or anything. But so far, man, this lock is nice. And the Cerakote job on it, phenomenal. So thanks, Tim, over at XWerks. Good stuff. Alright, so now I was doing some presenting, then firing. And still within a respectable range here. It's a very dead clown. So I'm pulling a little bit up to the left on the presentation, but again, still trying to get used to this grip and everything. I've got the bigger back strap on here that I put on, so that's the large back strap. Really like the feel of just kind of the standard kind of small, medium back strap, but this one just seems to fit my hand better. We'll keep it going. So what I want to do now is go for that left grenade in his hand. Get our left, his right. See what we can do. All within acceptable. We got one on the edge here, but I gotta say I'm really liking this Gen 7 or this Gen 5 17 MOS. Awesome gun, still running flawlessly, no malfunctions whatsoever. Alright, so now we're going to go right grenade on the clown. See what we can do. Send it. Alright. Yeah, so both grenades, face shots, beautiful. Glock 17 Gen 5 MOS, loving it. Alright, so I actually asked the gentleman if he could shut the light off on the range. I've got a Streamlight TLR1 on here that we're going to kind of test out on this Glock 17 Gen 5. So we're going to send it with the Streamlight on, see what we get here. Hesitation on it. I should shut the light off on the lane. All right. Okay, we had one little flinch, and actually I felt that hesitation on that one, so that's not surprising that looks that way. So maybe low light threw me off there, I don't know, but good stuff. That's fun. I'll shut that off for now. I'm gonna send one more mag through there. Let's go for headshots on this one. Streamlight. I don't want the strobe. Constant on. have it. Glock 17 Gen 5 MOS. I'm going to call that a wrap. So, nice. That was me right there that did that and that. So a little bit high on there, but it's all good. Alright, appreciate you guys watching. If you like what you see, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.